Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we will learn about chapter 14, A Progressive Society. In the beginning, the British East India Company and then the British ruled over India for 190 years. They had imposed lots of unfair laws and rules on Indians. Apart from the postal services, Indian railways, good roads, etc., they also introduced Western education in India. Even though they did it for their own convenience, it changed the way people thought. Many Indians who acquired Western education evolved in their own thinking. They began expressing their ideas. There were some customs that were prevalent in India during the British Raj: untouchability, child marriage, caste system, isolating widows from society, favoring baby boys, no schooling for girls, parda system, sati, and dowry. Sati system is a practice where Hindu widows was forced to throw herself onto her husband's funeral pyre. Some people dedicated their lives for improving the social conditions in our country. They asked people to think differently. We call them the social reformers. He is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Born on May 1772 in West Bengal, he was a pioneer of social reforms. His tireless efforts finally forced the British government to abolish the cruel and inhuman practice of sati. In 1829, the Bengal Sati regulation was passed. The act prohibited the practice of sati, and any individual caught practicing it would face prosecution. He also spoke against the parda system and child marriage. He formed the Brahmo Samaj, where people did not believe in idol worship, and those who were against the caste restrictions united. Over time, the Brahmo Samaj became a strong progressive force in driving social reforms, especially in Bengal. Women started seeking education, and men had no choice but to permit them. Having studied different religions like Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity, he spread the message among the people that all religions taught the same thing: love, brotherhood, and respect for one another. The title Raja was conferred upon Ram Mohan Roy by Mughal Emperor Akbar Shah II. Later, he was called as Raja Ram Mohan Roy. 1827 in Maharashtra. He led the movement against the prevailing caste system and the restrictions imposed by the higher castes on the lower caste people. He also believed that women should be educated if the society has to progress. All his life he worked for this cause. His wife Savitri Bai Phule supported him wholeheartedly in his dream of providing education to women and girls. She herself had been taught to read and write by her husband. Jyoti Rao Phule, he established girls' school in Pune, and Savitri Bai taught there. Later, he opened two more schools. He established the Satya Shudak Samaj, Society for the Seekers of Truth. In his words, social equality is a must for national unity and freedom of our country. Without it, we will never be free, even if the British give us our freedom. He had a common bathing tank constructed outside his house. It was open to people belonging to all castes. He also dined with people regardless of their caste. He was also the first Hindu to open an orphanage.